These paintings were not the only cute thing here. And right opposite the studio was the Bombay Art Gallery. Talk about seeing art from art. We recently visited Shobha's art studio in Khar and got to creating very quickly. Each magnet felt like a little pocket of joy. No rules, no pressure, and just paint, chat and create. Oh, and did we mention Shobha's little co-host? He was very enthusiastic about the whole thing. We came to paint fridge magnets, but left with full hearts and a tiny new friend.